But why do we even need energy storage systems in the first place? Over the last 150 years, we've been busy as a civilization focusing primarily on electrical power generation, transmission, and distribution. Until quite recently, there was never a huge desire to store energy. The most obvious use for a BESS installation is for helping us during these periods when we're not generating as much electrical power as we're consuming. The obvious solution here is that when it's sunny, when it's windy, we store all of that excess electrical power that's being generated by our solar power plants, wind turbines and other renewable energy sources, and we store it within our BESS installations. Here is our BESS installation. It's quite basic. We come over here, you can see that we've got our solar power plant. We're harnessing the power from the sun. We're turning that into DC, direct current, electrical power, and we're sending it along these red lines here to a container. And within this container, we've got our lithium-ion batteries, and we use those for storing electrical power. Between 2010 and 2020, the price of lithium-ion batteries reduced by about 80%. And it's estimated that between 2020 and 2030, the price of lithium-ion batteries will again reduce by half. If we're looking at the amount of energy stored and the cost, lithium-ion batteries are now becoming economically viable. Over 90% of all energy that's stored in energy storage systems is stored by pump hydroelectric power plants. These power plants raise water to a higher elevation and store it in an upper reservoir in order that we can use that stored energy, that body of water, at a time when it is needed. When electricity is cheap, we can use that electricity to pump water to a higher elevation, and when electricity is expensive or when it is needed, we allow the water to flow back down again across the turbine and we generate electricity.